Hi, this is Dr. Donaldson. I'm here to answer some questions that are common with patients in the first early postoperative period. One of those is what predicts success around shoulder replacement, particularly reverse shoulder replacement. One of those really is pain control, right? And so doing everything we can without narcotics to manage the patient's pain. And so in our clinic, what that really means is, number one, creating expectations of minimizing narcotic use, and that means minimizing nausea and constipation and urinary retention and addiction. So all the bad things that narcotics will lend themselves towards. Narcotics can be a benefit, and so we do want to use them, but we want to use them with judicious use in mind. So predicting success is those patients who have a realistic expectation about their surgery and about their post-surgical pain. That does come with education from our side to the patients and their family members, and then having that dialogue. So we do preoperative visits to make sure that education is on point, as well as creating expectations about use of medicines after surgery. In that vein, I guess other things to use that can help with postoperative pain would be things like ice machines, so cold compression therapy to reduce pain and increase joint mobilization in the immediate postoperative period. TENS use, which is a transcutaneous stimulation little machine that can help with discomfort and pain as well as non-narcotic medicines, so things like anti-inflammatories in patients who can take them, or Tylenol, and really making liberal use of those in a synergistic or a way that they can work off of each other, I think can be really beneficial and helpful. So those are things that can predict success. I think when we talk a little bit about that, we also go into the fact of, creating and aligning expectations not only for the patient, but also for the patient's caregivers, whether that be family members or their therapist. We see alignment from our therapists when patients attend early physical therapy at our own group, but we also know there are other therapists in the local community who do a fantastic job as well. And so we really would ask that the patients consider those places that we found success over the years of time in doing this, so that we can create those synergies pretty early. So patients that trust in the process that we've created, knowing that we're really dedicated to their success and their outcome, I think is really important. Hi.